Voyage to the Falls Boat Tour, Niagara City Cruises by Hornblower. Make more memories at Niagara Falls, Canada's must-do signature attraction. The iconic 20-minute voyage to the Falls boat tour brings you on the journey of a lifetime. Enjoy stunning views of the Niagara Gorge, American Falls, and Bridal Veil Falls, and come face to face with the famous Canadian Horseshoe Falls. Feel the thundering roar, awesome power, and amazing mist that come along with these natural wonders, or right after sunset for a light mist experience with the illumination of the falls. Together we can find safer ways to create unforgettable experiences for people just like you. Guests are required to wear a face mask at all times while on the property of Niagara City Cruises by Hornblower. If you forget yours or need one for any reason, masks are available for purchase on site. Book in advance and skip the ticket booth with time tickets to plan your visit around the weather and other travel plans. Feel safe with mobile ticketing, health screenings, the physical distancing of guests from one another and increased sanitizing.